70 years old, laughing, curious, alive. 50 years old, exhausted, closed off, already tired of life. We're told this is normal, but it isn't. Here's the twist most people miss. Aging isn't what makes you feel old. Believing the wrong things does. In fact, the habits we assume protect us as we age often do the opposite. Psychological research shows that people who feel younger don't have better genes. They have better mental frameworks. Once you see what actually separates a vibrant 70 from a weary 50, you won't look at aging the same way again. So today, we are going to pull back the curtain on this whole idea of aging. We're going to talk about what it really means to get older. And, more importantly, how you can do it with grace, with vitality, and with joy. We're going to look at the science, yes, but we're also going to talk about what's happening in your heart and in your mind. Because the truth is, the number of candles on your cake doesn't have to define the fire within you. You get to write the story of your life, every single day. And it starts by understanding the incredible power you hold to shape how you feel, no matter your age. Yeah, you really do. Here are 10 research-backed reasons why some people feel young at 70 and others don't at 50. We'll myth-bust genetics, unlock mindset, and turn science into action. We'll keep it fast, practical, and doable. Reason 1. The story you tell yourself becomes your truth. Your attitude about aging predicts how old you feel. That belief shapes choices, and those choices shape reality. Large studies show positive aging views linked to higher life satisfaction, better health, and younger subjective age. Challenge the narrative. Replace "I'm too old" with "I'm growing wiser. My future is full of potential." Reason 2. Your body was born to move. Activity signals youthfulness to your brain. Not marathons. Consistent, joyful movement. Exercise supports neuroplasticity, better memory, focus, and executive function. Reason 3. You are not an island. Strong social ties reduce stress and depressive symptoms, powerful predictors of feeling younger. Reason 4. Purpose and curiosity are your engine. Set a small goal each week. Purpose pulls you forward. Curiosity keeps the mind flexible and young. Reason 5. It's not in your blood. It's in your beliefs. Genes matter, but mindset and habits often predict subjective age more than genetics. Multiple studies link positive attitudes, life satisfaction, and activity with feeling younger. You have agency. Your daily choices shape your aging experience. Reason 6. Feeling young shows up on brain scans. People who feel younger often show more gray matter and fewer signs of neural aging. Science Daily reports align with this. Subjective age reflects brain health. Your feeling is a useful signal, a quick check-in from your brain. Feeling older can flag stressors accelerating brain aging, a call to adjust habits. Reason 7. Mood is your emotional thermostat. Better emotional regulation links to younger subjective age. Mindfulness, journaling, and therapy build resilience and protect your youthful feeling. A good mood reduces stress hormones and supports whole-body health. Reason 8. Your subjective age can change day to day. Good sleep, a win at work, time in nature. You feel younger. Stress spikes, you feel older. Stack small daily choices. They compound into long-term vitality. Start tiny, a walk, a call, or 5 deep breaths. It's less about epic effort, more about showing up daily. Reason 9. There's a sweet spot to feeling younger. Aim for optimism without denial. Studies suggest the biggest benefits appear when you feel roughly 8-13 years younger. Feeling unrealistically young can lead to ignoring signals and injury. Celebrate energy, but respect limits. Integrate youthful spirit with lived wisdom. The most sustainable path is balanced, not extreme. Be proud of your age and keep your curiosity alive. Recap. 1. Story. 2. Move. 3. Connect. 4. Purpose. 5. Beliefs over genes. 6. Brain scans. 7. Mood. 8. Micro habits. 9. Goldilocks zone. All supported by PubMed and neuroscience reporting. Mind, body, and heart, in sync. This is attainable at any age. Let's translate this into your day. Just one step starts momentum. Exhale. Begin. Write one mini goal now. Build a 7-day streak. Pick the easiest win and do it daily. Tell yourself, I'm capable, I'm improving, I'm alive. Reason 10 is what makes it all real. Reason 10. Action turns knowledge into a younger feeling life. Knowledge is potential power. Action is real power. Weave movement, connection, curiosity, and calm into your day. Make it a habit, not a hope. Take the stairs. Call a friend. Learn one new thing. Change the script. Recipe. Mindset. Daily movement, social connection, curiosity. Add gradually. Start with 1. Try a 15-minute walk every day this week. One action improves mood, energy, sleep, and how young you feel. Change the story you tell about aging, and you change the years ahead. You are the author of this next chapter. Choose discovery over decline. Mindset signals your cells. Movement feeds your brain. Connection protects your heart. Purpose pulls you forward. Pick one change and start today. Say it. I am strong. I am capable. I am full of life. Share your one change in the comments. Subscribe for more science-backed strategies to live vibrantly. Go out there and live fully.